I've been using Simply Vital Face Moisturizer for some time now, and it's truly transformed my skincare routine. This cream contains collagen, retinol, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, avocado oil, and jojoba oil. What sets this moisturizer apart is the quality standards. It uses natural ingredients and is vegan, GMO-free, and cruelty-free. Additionally, it's GMP certified and made in the USA, which makes me feel good about its manufacturing practices. Using this cream is incredibly straightforward. The packaging features a convenient pump. You simply open the top and press down on the pump to dispense the perfect amount of product. This not only ensures ease of use, but also helps maintain hygiene by preventing contamination. When applying, I take the cream and massage it gently into my face in a circular motion. This helps the product to absorb better and stimulate circulation. Although it's recommended to use it both in the morning and at night, I've found using it once a day works best for me because retinol can sometimes dry out my skin. This Simply Vital Face Moisturizer is definitely one of my favorites. I've personally had great results with it. I'd give it a 10 out of 10.